It's not every day you witness a new technology in industrial additive manufacturing. But today is such a day. We take industrial additive manufacturing to the next level, where all stages from setup to real parts are industrialized. What you are about to experience is the real-life manufacturing process of the new Tritone Dominant and its revolutionary MoldJet technology. Let's see how this remarkable system is able to achieve these amazing results. Naturally, it all starts with a CAD file which is sent to the system for manufacturing. In order to optimize the manufacturing speed and material consumption, parts are laid out on the tray using optimal space. Parts can be stacked in layers or nested to maximize the tray's volume. The metal paste dispenser, which keeps a powderless, clean, and safe work environment, is then loaded into the Tritone Dominant. Choosing from a variety of alloys including titanium, stainless steels, tool steels, copper alloys, and more. The printing process begins with a proprietary mold material jetted by inkjet heads simultaneously onto the tray, allowing a range of sizes and details from 200 microns up to 350 millimeter parts. The carousel now rotates and the current tray moves to the metal paste dispensing station, while simultaneously a new tray is positioned at the mold station for a new mold layer. This simultaneous process allows throughput in excess of 1600 cc per hour, producing large quantities of parts per shift. After the paste is dispensed, the new layer goes through a hardening phase. The layer is now ready. From here, we proceed with real-time verification and control, ensuring a flawless process without any defective layers. An integral milling unit allows for the removal of a layer if required. This entire process repeats simultaneously on each of the 6 trays. Resulting in high resolution and parts density and uniformity, which enables production-ready parts. Upon completion, the tray is removed from the carousel and replaced with an empty one without interrupting the continuous process of the other trays on the carousel. The tray now goes through a low-temperature demolding process, removing the mold, and the parts are now ready for debinding and sintering in a single process. The industrial, robust handling of the green parts enables easy conveying of parts from demolding through the entire sintering process. This results in over 99% density of the sintered parts. The parts are now ready. This system and technology are the first real additive manufacturing for industrial use, combining throughput, materials, part size, repeatability, and precision. The Tritone Dominant. Tomorrow's technology, today.